Hi everyone and welcome. So previously we have covered so many things about Python integration with the A9G module. Okay, so we were sending AT command from Python to the A9G module, and based on those AT command, A9G module will do our work. So if you want to place a call, then we will send AT command from Python to the A9G module, and based on the AT command, the A9G module will call to that number. Also, it can send SMS to that number. Also, we can connect to MQTT broker using the 2G internet, and we can publish the messages on the MQTT topic. Okay, so everything is possible with the A9G module. And the main thing is we were using Python to send AT command to the A9G module. Okay, and A9G module will use its own 2G internet, or you can say the cellular internet, to connect with MQTT broker, to publish the message on the MQTT broker, and to receive the updates from MQTT broker. Okay, now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to subscribe to one of the MQTT topic, and we are going to receive update from that topic. Okay, so previously what we have done is we have used 2G or cellular internet to connect with the MQTT broker using this A9G module, and then after we were publishing test messages. In another video we were publishing the random data, and in another video we have converted our Modbus TCP IP data to MQTT data. Okay, so we were reading Modbus TCP IP data using Python, and then after we are converting that Modbus TCP IP data using MQTT. So we have used A9G module to connect with MQTT broker, and then after we have used Python to read data from Modbus device. Then after we will send AT command to the A9G module along with the Modbus data, so A9G module can publish those data to MQTT broker. Okay, now in this video what we want to do is we want to subscribe to any MQTT topic, and we want to receive update from that MQTT topic. Okay, so this is the useful scenario when you want to receive update from any MQTT topic, and based on the update you want to do something like turn on something, turn off something, or you want to perform any other action. Okay, so you can think of unlimited examples of that. If you want to turn on the motor in the farm, if you want to turn off the motor, if you want to turn on the pump, okay, if you want to turn on LED, if you want to do the home automation, then also it can be possible. Okay, so it has the unlimited use when it comes with MQTT and the cellular internet. Okay, so you don't need Wi-Fi to connect your broker. Okay, MQTT broker, you can use cellular internet to connect with MQTT broker, and you can publish and subscribe to those messages with any topic. So in this video we are going to subscribe to any topic, and we are going to receive update in the Python, and based on that value, if you want to do something, then you can do it. But we are in this video we are only going to read those values. Okay, so let's see how you can do it. So here is our A9G module connected with my system using this USB to serial converter, and I have powered up this A9G module using this micro USB cable. Okay, and A9G module is connected in my system on the COM5 port. So here in the Python I'm going to use COM5 port to connect with the A9G module. So here is the serial object which will open the connection with the A9G module on the COM5 port, and here is the baud rate, and here is the timeout. Okay, now let's understand the code. So here we have imported the necessary libraries, okay, which require to communicate with A9G board. Then after we have provided the MQTT broker details to connect with it and to subscribe to that topic. Okay, so here is the broker IP address, broker port, username, password, and here is the topic which we want to subscribe and which we want to receive the update from. Then after, here is a function to send AT command to the A9G board. Okay, so here you can see serial write, so it will just write that AT command serially to A9G board, and A9G board will understand what I have to do. Okay, then after, here is the list of AT command to connect with MQTT broker. So first of all we will turn on the GPRS, then after we will set access point name. Then after this command, I didn't remember what it will do, but it is for packet data publishing. And here is the AT command to connect with MQTT broker, and if you don't have username and password for your MQTT broker, then you can use it like this, leave it blank. Okay, that's fine. And here is the function to subscribe to particular topic. Okay, and here is the main code. So in the main code, this is the serial object to open the communication with the COM5 and A9G board. Then after, we will connect to MQTT broker. Then after, we will subscribe to MQTT broker topic, and then after we will wait for any messages coming from MQTT topic, and whatever messages is coming from that MQTT topic, we are going to print it here that this is the topic and this is the message. Okay, so let's run this one by one. Okay, so we have run all the cells one by one, and here you will see that subscribe to the topic. Okay, once it's subscribed, okay, you can see subscribe to the topic test. Now okay, leave this message as it is. Okay, this is not in the use. Now we are going to publish some values, okay, on the test topic. So here I am connected with my broker. The topic I want to publish the data is test topic, and the message I want to publish is test message -1. Okay, I am going to publish this message on the topic test on my cloud MQTT broker, and the A9G board will receive update from that cloud MQTT broker, and it will pass that message via serially to my system. Python will read that message. Okay, and based on the message payload, if you want to do something, then you can do it. Okay, now let me publish. So in a few moments you will receive it. You can see the topic we have received is test, and the message inside the topic we have received is test message -1. If I want to publish the second message, then I can publish it from here, and I just have to press this button, publish. You can see we have received the second message. You can here see the index of the message. Okay, so this is the second message, this is the first message, so that's why it has number 1 and 2. And here is the topic. Okay, you can see this is the common topic test, and here is the message test message 1, test message 2. You can see the topic of the message, and you can see the payload of the message. Okay, now if I publish the third message, then you will see the third message here. Okay, you can see MQTT publish third message, the topic is test, and the message is test message -10. Okay, so this is the scenario. So A9G board will not use any Wi-Fi internet or any Ethernet to connect with the internet. It will use its own SIM card to turn on the GPRS connectivity, and then it will subscribe. It will connect to the MQTT broker, and then it will subscribe to the particular topic, and whenever the topic has some update, it will receive that update and it will provide that update to the Python. And after that, if I want to do something using this update, then I can do it. Okay, now think of the scenario where you want to turn on the motor or turn off the motor. Okay, so if I am sending that turn on motor 1, okay, then I can publish it. It will receive the turn on motor 1. Okay, based on this value, if I want to do something, if I want to turn my any motor, or if I want to turn on my any pump, then I can do it. Okay, it's a MQTT, so it is working over the internet, okay, using 2G internet, so you don't have to provide Wi-Fi or any other Ethernet in remote places. Okay, so you can use this setup in the remote places. You can also use Arduino or Raspberry Pi to connect with A9G board instead of Python. Okay, Python, I have used Python for a different purpose. Okay, whenever you have Raspberry Pi Model 4, and if you want to use this setup in the remote location, then you can use it. Okay, you can connect your Raspberry Pi 4 with the A9G module, and you can read data from that remote location, and then after you can use A9G board to connect with the MQTT broker and to publish the data on the MQTT broker. So that is why this setup is useful. And if you are using if you are not using Raspberry Pi, and if you are using Arduino or some other small microcontroller, then you can program that microcontroller to send AT command to the A9G module, and then also you can use those microcontroller to connect with MQTT broker and to receive the data, and you can program the microcontroller to read these messages, and based on the message value you can turn on some motor or turn off some motor. Okay, and if the motor is turned on, and if you have received the feedback, then also you can again publish something on some topic, so you can have bidirectional communication with the A9G board. So possibilities are limitless. Okay, I have in my brain, but I cannot explain everything, but you can do something with this, okay, with the A9G board, Python, Arduino, and you can mix everything up and you can do something more. So I hope this thing is clear, and I hope this thing is useful to you. And if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. And in this video we have covered the fifth topic, that how you can connect with MQTT broker, subscribe to any MQTT topic and get update from MQTT topic using A9G board and the Python over cellular internet. Okay, so this is the best scenario for remote location. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and this is the circuit diagram how you have to connect this CP210 to USB to serial module with A9G board. Also, this is the flow diagram of how Python will send data to MQTT or Python will receive the data from MQTT. Okay, so Python will send AT command to the A9G board. A9G board will send serial messages to the Python, and based on the AT command, A9G board will connect to MQTT broker over the 2G internet. Also, it can publish the data on the MQTT broker, and any MQTT client can receive that data. Also, if another MQTT client is publishing some data on the MQTT broker, then A9G board can subscribe to that data and receive the update, and it can send those update or those messages to Python. Okay, so it's a bidirectional. I will update this photograph and make arrow on the both side. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you want to connect with me, then you can use all the options to connect with me. If you want to ask something, then also you can use all the options to ask me. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you know where to ask. So we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video maybe we'll come up with the another solution or another topic. So till then, stay tuned, take care, and goodbye, and thank you.